Heading back down to the dealership at Gilliland Chevrolet that I bought this 2024 Equinox EV RS all-wheel drive from, and we're going to have the dash, I guess, covered. The GM is doing a warranty for a glare on the dash. Right now I've got that one dash mat that you can pick up for like $45 online and stuff, but it slides around and I don't want to put the Velcro on it, which kind of sounds contradictory since I'm going to have them literally glue a mat onto the dash, so we'll see how that works and stuff. But if it's under warranty, and this vehicle, his warranty is quickly evaporating, I'll have it a year in October, so we'll see. I'll keep you updated on what it looks like. Alright, they just got done installing the dash pad. They do have some creases. Hopefully they come out in the sun. It turned out okay and stuff compared to the other aftermarket one. We'll see how that plastic up close to the window, if that starts glaring or not. But so far it looks okay. So, alright, well, so far I'm happy.